Patrikanova. I'm a senior student at INYAS, and this video is specifically for you, third-year students that are just about to go to school internship. So what I'm going to talk about is my sample lesson plan for you, and it's also a lesson plan as a model lesson plan of a model class. And as you know, lesson plan consists of specific main bullets. So in my case, there are 9 main bullets that are just teacher's name, learning outcomes, aims of lesson, then the content itself, and etc. So that's what I'm going to talk about. So now we're going to talk a little bit about the lesson plan itself. So as you can see, what we have here is information about teacher, and there is information about the grade, date, time, theme of your lesson. So here's the thing, guys. This is a sample lesson plan. So in my plan, as you see, there is the topic of the lesson is called holiday time, and so you're gonna have another topic. And as you can see in the aims that I have in my plan, there are 4 aims of my plan, and you can add some other aims just as well. So what I think is important to include in a lesson plan is third aim, which is to create a relaxed atmosphere in the classroom in order to increase enthusiasm for learning, and something like this. So we have so many different names of possible aims, so make sure that you can add all of them. And also, as you can see, objective. So we always write objectives as students will be able to. So according to your plan, according to your aims, you're going to write what your students will be able to do by the end of the lesson or by the end of the whole process as you teach. Then we have learning outcome, which is similar to the objective, but you just have to write it in a different way. As you can see, inability to participate in communication on the topic holiday time, and an ability to use grammar structures. Then we have aids. Aids include basically the textbook that you have, they teach your students with, and also any other visual aids. So in my case, I had a laptop, different mind maps, flashcards, so additional materials, that is to say. Let's talk a little bit about the structure and content of the lesson plan. So in my case, as you see, I have three tables: lesson stages, subject procedural, content of the lesson, and allocated time. Very easy. What you have to put in your lesson stages, so in my case you see introduction. That's what everyone puts in a lesson stage number 1. So introduction and a warm-up activity. Then also homework checkup. But that depends also on your lesson, and also it depends on you how you want to make your lesson plan, what is easier for you, what is more comfortable for you to work with. And then as you can see in the content of the lesson, this is the most important part, I think. This is when you have to include all of the exercises that you're gonna have during your lesson. So as you see, I write workbook, page 96, exercises 1, 2, 3, and etc. And allocated time, you have to make sure that you have everything for 45 minutes, which is the standard time for a class. Then, as you can see, lesson stage number 2, grammar revision. Then we have step 3, which is quiz is an assessment. Step 4, reflection. And last stage, that's the homework instruction. So, as for the reflection, I think it also depends on you whether you want to whether you want to divide your class onto these stages, because some teachers do not really want to waste any time on the reflection stage. So it depends on you. So as you see, very easy, and you can also make a detailed lesson plan where you mention all of your actions as a teacher. I mean, if it's easier for you to work that way. So as you can see in this sample plan, we have 3 tables just as well: what, how, and time. So as you see, what? A warm-up stage. And you write down every single action that you have. So hello pupils, how are you? Today we're gonna blah blah blah. So how? Teacher talks to the whole class. Frontal work. And time. You calculate time. So according to the plan that I'm presenting you right now, which is my sample plan, you can see that what I'm doing is I'm dividing the content into main bullets, and that's because I could conduct a lesson without the sample actions. I didn't have to write them down, but you can do it that way just as well. You can write down every single action. So, as you see, it includes warm-up, reading, listening, grammar, vocabulary, conclusion. Very easy. Good luck!